For our Neoloop into starter cords, you will receive one metal clip, plastic housings, and the starter cord itself. Starter cord comes in both 12 volt and 24 volt versions based on the Neoloop that you ordered. To install the starter cord, you will start with your metal clip first. That will get installed onto the Neoloop. You will then take your starter cord and the prongs on the bottom side of the cord will go in between the circuit board inside the Neoloop and the plastic backer. To do that, you'll pull the bottom side back and slide the terminals in. Once that is slid into place, take your bottom side plastic housing, slide that over the starter cord and the metal clip. Then you'll take your top piece, slide it over top of that, and you'll hear positive clicks when it's engaged.